In this video, I will explain how to install the lead pointer into the machine and how the red leader works. Why do we need a lead pointer in the machine? Yes, we need it to preview the marking or engraving position. First, let's see how to install the lead pointer. First, we need to install a lens. The lens is special. It reflects red laser but don't reflect fiber laser. When I say red laser, I mean the laser from laser pointer. Fiber laser is the laser from Raker's laser source. Then we will install the laser pointer. First, we need to adjust the laser pointer to make the laser spot smaller. Then we install the laser pointer. As you can see, the red laser is coming in this direction and then coming out the other direction after lens reflection. When we install the laser pointer into the laser paste, the red laser will shoot into the gimbal head. As I said, the lens reflects red laser but don't reflect fiber laser. Fiber laser can pass through the lens. So when we turn on the fiber laser, it will shoot into gimbal head directly. Now we have two lasers shooting into the gimbal head, the red laser and the fiber laser, but they don't seem to be on the same pace, and we want them on the same pace. We want the two lasers coincide. Then how to do it? If the two lasers are coincident, then they should be coincident after reflected by gimbal mirrors. Then the laser spots should overlap too. So we only need to make the two laser spots coincide. First, we adjust and fix the fiber laser spot. Fiber laser is not visible, so I bought this small card made of special material to make the laser spot appear. After we have fixed the fiber laser spot, we can move the red laser spot to coincide with the fiber laser spot. Then we fix the laser pointer too. When we draw a square in the software and click red, we can see the red laser is running. When we click mark, the fiber laser will be on and mark at the exact same position.